Patisamhita is associated with certain qualities or attainments in Buddhism, particularly in the context of the four analytical knowledges, which are considered advanced stages of insight. These are 1. Attapatisamhita, which is the analytical knowledge of meaning. In the context of the four analytical knowledges in Buddhism, analytical knowledge of meaning, understanding the essence. Atta refers to meaning, essence, or significance. Attapatisamhita involves a profound understanding of the essential meaning or significance of the teachings of the Buddha, deep insight into concepts. Practitioners with Attapatisamhita possess a keen analytical ability to penetrate beyond surface meanings and gain a deep insight into the core concepts of Buddhist doctrine. This goes beyond mere intellectual understanding to a direct realization of the truth, clarity on the purpose of the teachings. It encompasses clarity about the purpose and ultimate goal of the Buddha's teachings, namely, the cessation of suffering and the path to liberation, nirvana, interconnectedness of concepts. Practitioners with Attapatisamhita understand the interconnectedness of various teachings. They can see how different aspects of the Dharma relate to and support each other in leading individuals toward enlightenment. Application in practice. This knowledge is not just theoretical, but has practical implications. It guides the practitioner in applying the teachings effectively in their own life and in guiding others on the path. Deeper layers of understanding. Attapatisamhita involves going beyond a superficial understanding to discerning the subtleties and deeper layers of meaning within the teachings. It is about grasping the transformative potential embedded in the Buddha's words. Wisdom in communication. Those with Attapatisamhita are adept at conveying the essence of the Dharma to others. Their communication is infused with wisdom, making the teachings more accessible and impactful. Integration with other knowledges. Attapatisamhita is interconnected with the other three analytical knowledges, Dharmapatisamhita, Nirutipatisamhita, and Patipanapatisamhita. Together, these knowledges contribute to a comprehensive understanding and mastery of the teachings. In summary, Attapatisamhita represents a deep and insightful comprehension of the meaning and purpose of the Buddha's teachings. It involves not only intellectual clarity, but also a transformative understanding that guides practitioners on the path to liberation and aids them in sharing the wisdom of the Dharma with others. 2. Dharmapatisamhita, which is the analytical knowledge of Dharma. In the context of the four analytical knowledges in Buddhism, comprehensive understanding of Dharma. Dharma, in this context, refers to the teachings or doctrines of Buddhism. Dharmapatisamhita involves a comprehensive and profound understanding of the various aspects of Buddhist doctrine. Mastery of Dharma categories. Practitioners with Dharmapatisamhita are adept at categorizing and systematizing the diverse teachings found in the Buddha's scriptures. They can distinguish between different types of teachings and understand their interrelationships. Recognition of core principles. This analytical knowledge goes beyond rote memorization. It involves recognizing the fundamental principles that underlie the Buddha's teachings, such as the Four Noble Truths, the Eightfold Path, and the nature of impermanence, unsatisfactoriness, and non-self. Discernment of gradual training. Dharmapatisamhita includes an understanding of the gradual training, seeker, prescribed by the Buddha. Practitioners with this knowledge recognize the progressive steps leading towards liberation and enlightenment. Insight into dependent origination. Insight into the intricate concept of dependent origination, paticca is often a part of Dharmapatisamhita. This involves understanding the causal relationships that lead to the arising of suffering and the path to its cessation. Application in meditation. Those with Dharmapati-sampita can apply their knowledge in meditation. They understand how specific teachings relate to meditative practices and contribute to the development of concentration and insight. Teaching and guiding others. Practitioners possessing Dharmapati-sampita are well equipped to teach and guide others on the path. They can skillfully convey the depth and breadth of the Dharma, making it accessible to diverse audiences. Integration with other knowledges. Dharmapati-sampita is not isolated, but interconnected with the other three analytical knowledges, Atthapati-sampita, Niruttipati-sampita, and Patipanna-pati-sampita. The integration of these knowledges contributes to a holistic understanding of the Buddha's teachings. Dharmapati-sampita represents a comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the Dharma, encompassing both theoretical knowledge and practical application. It enables practitioners to navigate the rich tapestry of Buddhist teachings, guiding themselves and others towards the profound insights that lead to liberation. 3. Niruttipati-sampita is the analytical knowledge of language or linguistic analysis. In the context of the four analytical knowledges in Buddhism, understanding of linguistic nuances. Nirutti refers to language or expression. Niruttipati-sampita involves a profound understanding of linguistic nuances, including the correct meaning and usage of words and expressions found in the Buddhist scriptures. Etymological insight. Practitioners with Niruttipati-sampita have insight into the etymology of words, understanding their historical origins, and how linguistic elements have evolved over time. Precision in terminology. This knowledge enables precision in using and interpreting the specialized terminology found in Buddhist texts. It ensures accuracy in conveying the intended meanings of the teachings, differentiating similar terms. Niruttipati-sampita involves the ability to differentiate between terms that may appear similar but have distinct meanings. This precision is crucial for avoiding misinterpretations. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Buddhist scriptures often include idiomatic expressions. Practitioners with Niruttipati-sampita can grasp the idioms used in different contexts, enhancing their comprehension of the teachings. Cultural sensitivity in language. Recognizing the cultural context in which the teachings were expressed is part of Niruttipati-sampita. This sensitivity ensures an accurate understanding of linguistic expressions as they were intended in the historical and cultural milieu of the Buddhist time. Harmonizing language with Dharma. Those with Niruttipati-sampita harmonize their linguistic proficiency with the Dharma. They use language skillfully to convey the profound concepts of Buddhism without distortion or misrepresentation, facilitating clear communication. Niruttipati-sampita is not merely about academic knowledge, but serves the practical purpose of facilitating clear communication of the Dharma. This clarity is essential for effective teaching and transmission of the teachings. Integration with other knowledges. Niruttipati-sampita is interconnected with the other three analytical knowledges, Atthapati-sampita, Dharmapati-sampita, and Patipanna-pati-sampita. The synergy of these knowledges contributes to a comprehensive understanding of the Dharma. Niruttipati-sampita is the analytical knowledge that ensures precision and accuracy in understanding and using language. Within the context of Buddhist teachings, it empowers practitioners to navigate the linguistic intricacies of scriptures, fostering a more authentic and faithful transmission of the profound insights found in the Dharma. 4. Patipanna-pati-sampita is the analytical knowledge of interpretation or reflective understanding. In the context of the four analytical knowledges in Buddhism, reflective understanding, Patipana involves reflection or interpretation. Patipana Patisampita is the ability to deeply reflect upon and interpret the teachings of the Buddha, going beyond surface meanings, to discern their profound implications. Contextual interpretation. Practitioners with Patipana Patisampita understand the importance of interpreting teachings within their specific contexts. They consider the circumstances, audience, and cultural background in which the Buddha delivered particular discourses. Applying wisdom in interpretation. This knowledge involves the application of wisdom in interpreting the teachings. It goes beyond a rigid, literal understanding, allowing for a nuanced and flexible interpretation that aligns with the essence of the Dharma. Understanding the spirit of the teachings. Patipana Patisampita involves grasping the spirit or essence of the teachings, rather than fixating on superficial meanings. It requires an intuitive understanding of the transformative potential embedded in the words of the Buddha. Adaptability in teaching. Those with Patipana Patisampita can adapt their teaching methods and explanations based on the needs and capacities of their audience. This adaptability ensures that the teachings remain relevant and accessible. Integration of practical wisdom. Practical wisdom is integrated into the interpretation of the teachings. This involves understanding how the Dharma can be practically applied to address the challenges of daily life, guiding others effectively. Practitioners possessing Patipana Patisampita can skillfully guide others in understanding and applying the teachings. Their interpretation is guided by compassion and a genuine desire to alleviate suffering. Resolution of ambiguities. This knowledge helps in resolving ambiguities or apparent contradictions within the teachings. Skilled interpreters can reconcile different aspects of the Dharma to present a coherent and harmonious understanding. Integration with other knowledges. Patipana Patisampita is interconnected with the other three analytical knowledges, Atha Patisampita, Dhamma Patisampita, and Niruti Patisampita. The synergy of these knowledges contributes to a comprehensive and skillful interpretation of the Buddha's teachings. Patipana Patisampita is the analytical knowledge that involves reflective interpretation of the teachings, recognizing the depth and nuances of the Dharma. Practitioners with this knowledge can convey the transformative power of the Buddha's words with clarity, adaptability, and a deep understanding of their practical applications in the journey toward liberation. The attainment of the four analytical knowledges in Buddhism is traditionally considered advanced and associated with a high level of wisdom and insight. Not everyone may achieve these profound levels of understanding, as they are typically associated with individuals who have dedicated themselves to intensive study, meditation, and the cultivation of wisdom. Achieving the four analytical knowledges requires a deep engagement with the Buddha's teachings, a profound understanding of the nature of reality, and an experiential realization of the path to liberation. It often involves years of rigorous practice, including meditation, study of scriptures, and guidance from experienced teachers. While not everyone may reach the pinnacle of these analytical knowledges, Buddhism emphasizes that individuals can make progress along the path at their own pace. Different people have varying capacities, inclinations, and life circumstances, and the Buddhist path acknowledges this diversity. The four analytical knowledges are considered attainable through a combination of factors, including dedication to practice, regular and sincere practice of meditation, ethical conduct, and the cultivation of wisdom are crucial elements. Study of scriptures. A deep study of Buddhist scriptures and teachings provides the intellectual foundation for understanding the Dharma. Guidance from teachers. having access to experienced and knowledgeable teachers who can provide guidance and clarification is beneficial on the path. Reflective inquiry. Engaging in reflective inquiry and contemplation on the nature of reality and the teachings of the Buddha contributes to insight. Integration of wisdom. Integrating the wisdom gained through study and practice into daily life is essential for progress on the path. It's important to note that the path in Buddhism is gradual, and progress may vary among individuals, even if someone may not reach the level of the 4 analytical knowledges. Sincere and committed practice can lead to significant transformation, understanding, and a reduction of suffering. Ultimately, Buddhism encourages individuals to embark on the path with sincerity, humility, and an open heart, recognizing that progress is a personal journey that unfolds over time.